top of Combe slope. It's a nice blue slope, so let's test it. This first part is a little bit steeper, and because of that the slope is not well groomed, but we'll see. Combe is pretty damaged, bad shape, soft snow, bumps. Man down. We'll see the rest of the slope. This second part looks nice. Go with better. It's pretty wide. Little bit jump. Nice and short. Next stop, Grand Serre. Let's test the blue run. We are testing along, and I gotta say, the view here is absolutely amazing. Let's test this. Okay. Oh, nice blue track. Snow is amazing on this slope. Nice and wide. Oh, really beautiful. Woo. Okay, now we are going to narrow part of the slope. We have a couple of jumps here. Okay. Blue water balloons. Woohoo! Nice and wide. Snow is nice. I like this slope. Very nice. There, and right here. Okay, a little bit deeper here. Not so much. Okay, we are going to the last part of Ballon slope. It's a little bit crowded here with the ski school. Okay, let's continue. jumps. Whoa! Okay. For balance, pretty good. Let's check the next track. Okay, once again we are on top of Combe, just for one reason, and that is for testing the ski cross slope. Oh, I missed it. Okay, my bad. Let's try go here. Okay, so board cross or ski cross slope. Okay. Bumpy. Okay, we are again on top of Clotte Gautier. We are testing blue slope select. So we're going straight down and then we will have the turn to the right. Snow is perfect. There are not so many people on the slope today. Now, right. Select. So let's see. So far so nice. Good snow. Good slope. Not so many people. This was close. Oh, this was close. Ten out of 10. So far, 10 out of 10. Beautiful slope. Let's see the bottom half. Okay, this is the bottom. Now, here the snow is stopped. So just on this short part. Oh, a bit of ice on the bottom. So, Clotte Gautier, blue run, amazing. Okay, now we are going to test one blue run to go to the forest. Not that wide, but as you see, it's completely empty. So it's so nice. Let's see if I can catch this jump. I don't have speed. Okay. Let's see another jump.